Hey everyone, welcome back to another tips and tricks video. Today in this video, I like to share you guys how to check any Xiaomi device activation date. For this video, I am using Xiaomi 15 Ultra. First of all, you need IMEI number. So what you have to do? First of all, go to your phone dialer, dial star hash 06 hash. Now copy any IMEI number and you also get other way to IMEI number. So at first go to your phone setting, then about, then click details info and spec, then click status, and here you can find your IMEI number. Just copy any other IMEI number, then open any browser. I am using Chrome and type iunlocker.com. Open it and scroll down, and here you can find MI Xiaomi IMEI checking service. Click it. Now paste here your IMEI number and click check. Sometimes it takes some time, so wait and see. And as you can see that this is my Xiaomi 15 Ultra with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. The website offer you a lot of information like purchase date, MI activation log, and purchase country. And sometimes the website offer more details. So this is the way how to check your any Xiaomi device activation date and also purchase country. So I hope this tips video is very helpful for you guys. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.